I'm getting really hungry now, and I need something that's just going to give me some energy and some food. And this is just the sort of place, this little gully, that birds or ravens would be nesting. And if I could just get myself one of those, it would be amazing. Catching a bird without a trap is nearly impossible, but I might be able to find some eggs. Bird dropping some feathers will give away their location. There's a broken eggshell here, which means there is definitely a nest somewhere up here. And look, there's more here. And it could well be on that ledge. Here we go. And this looks like a chukka's nest here. And these eggs are bigger. These are more like ravens' eggs, and this is what ravens do. They'll tend to drive a little bird away from its nest and then lay its own eggs in it. But either way, I'm going to eat these. I'm going to have one now. I'm going to keep one for later. All bird eggs are edible. Even the shell is a good source of calcium. And I'm so hungry I can't help but eat it raw. But there is a risk of catching salmonella, so I'm going to try and cook the other one.